In this video, I will show you how to turn on cookies in Google Chrome in iPhone. So the first step is to open the settings, and then we just have to scroll down until we see apps. Now from here, we just have to search for Chrome, and then from here, what we're gonna have to do is simply scroll down, and when it says allow cross website tracking, we just have to enable this option. Now go back, and then instead of Chrome, search for Safari, and then from here we just have to scroll down again until we see this option that says to block cookies. So let's see where it is. So we just have to disable this, and basically that's all you have to do. So we have block pop-ups, and then here we have the suggestions. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.